Scott doing at MarineMax Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a Sea Ray 19 SPX All Sport. So as you walk in the boat, one of the first things you notice, it does have a really nice walk-through transom. Makes it very easy to get in and out of the boat. Stepping into the boat, abnormally large cockpit for a 19-foot boat. It's one of the first things that stands out to people when they first get on board. Because this is an All Sport edition, in lieu of a built-in cooler, it's actually a live well. Storage, of course, underneath the side seat. A nice in-floor ski locker. Snap-out seagrass flooring throughout. And a nice big bow. So the 19 SPX bow is actually the same size as the 21 SPX bow. So you get the same size bow that's normally found in a 21-foot boat in a 19-foot boat. So plenty of room up in the front for all of the kids. Removable cushion for the front, so if you want to pull your boat into a slip forward and just go straight out the bow, makes it very easy to do that. Here in a minute, we'll switch over and I'll show you all of the fishing features on board the boat, because you can convert this boat to a really nice fishing setup. Moving over to the dash, Simrad Go 5 built in. It's going to give you your downscan sonar. It's going to be a chart plotter, color GPS, Rockford Fosgate sound system with Bluetooth, 4 Rockford Fosgate speakers on board the boat, puts out a lot of sound, works really well. Also, in addition to Bluetooth, there's also a USB port and an auxiliary jack that you can just plug your phone straight into it. So let's take a look at the fishing features. So when you take the cushions out of the bow and put in the filler plates, you end up with a really nice casting platform up front. There is a removable trolling motor, so if you're just using the boat for skiing or tooling around, you want to take the trolling motor off, it's just a quick release. You can take it off and it's plug and play for power for it. You can also remove the fishing seat if you want to stand up while you fish. But lots of deck space up front, lots of walk around area if you like to fish while you're standing up. Works really well. Also, as opposed to a lot of the other models out there on the market, it's nice and stable. It doesn't feel like you're stepping on a rickety platform that's going to fall every time you step. Also, because the boat is an All Sport, it is going to have twin batteries as well as a port for a battery charger, because there is a battery charger on board the boat. That way, when you're done boating at the end of the day, you can just plug your boat in. One of the things people really like about the outboard version is by removing the engine from inside the boat, you end up with a lot of storage areas. So covers, skis, tackle boxes if you're fishing, also storage down there for your casting seats as well. So really nice layout and a lot of space for a 19-foot boat. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the boat. If you've got any questions about this or any of the other boats we have, please pick up the phone and give us a call, or you can also reach us directly online. Thanks a lot. Look forward to talking to you.